So today, we will work on a multi-dimensional array. They are created by nesting arrays inside arrays. For example, we have an array named cities by country that contains 3 subarrays, each representing a list of cities from a different country. Now, let's see how we can access specific cities from these subarrays using JavaScript indexing. Remember, JavaScript arrays are zero index, which means the first element is at index 0. To get the city New York, we use cities by country 0 to access the first subarray and 0 again to access the first element in the first subarray. Likewise, to get the Liverpool, we use cities by countries 1 to access the second subarray and 2 to access the third element in the second subarray. Now, let's create a program that uses a multi-dimensional array that displays songs and an artist. This is what a finished program would look like. In this script.js, I have the same code which we used in the previous session to display a to-do list. But now, we will modify this code and instead display songs and artists. So first, I will replace this to-do with playlist. And in index.html, I will update this title to my playlist. Go back to script.js and remove the existing values. Instead, I will add nested arrays and add songs and an artist name. I will create 2 more nested arrays with song and artist name. To only show the songs, here we have to add an index number. I will add 0. You will only see songs now. If you want to add the artist, we have to add another $R, I, and add index number 1. If you check the preview, you should now see songs and artist name. Great. This is the end of this session. In next session, we will do a challenge. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.